Cybercrime police has registered a case of cheating against an unknown WhatsApp user for cheating to the tune of 2.44 crore rupees on the pretext of higher returns in stock market. This case is an example that how should we not trust any unknown person, and the greed for higher returns is always dangerous. Background of the case is like this. Someday last month, complainant Judith received a friend request on social media from an unknown female, and Judith accepted that friend request. Soon after, they started chatting. One day that female said to Judith that she is very happy today because she has earned a handsome profit by trading in stock market using an app namely FITT India.apk. And she also suggested Judith to trade using that app. Judith got tempted by the big profit and thought to try trading using that app. Then that female online friend introduced him to a third person. Under guidance of this third person on a WhatsApp group, Judith first invested 20,000 rupees and got profit of 1,500 rupees on very first day. Even Judith successfully withdrew that profit of 1,500 rupees in his bank account. Happy with the profit of first day, another day Judith invested more 30,000 rupees and he got profit of 20,000 rupees, which he withdrew again successfully another day. Happy with the back-to-back profits, Judith made his wife to invest in the app too, and within couple of days, Judith and his wife not only invested all their savings but also borrowed money from friends and family and took gold loans and invested all the money in that app. When their total investment and profits reached to 1.2 crore rupees, they decided to withdraw the amount, but they were not able to withdraw. Then the third person who was guiding them to invest in the app started asking to deposit his commission of 20% in his account, then only he can withdraw that money. Having no other choice and in need of money, Judith started paying demanded commission. But all his efforts were fruitless, and then Judith understood that he has been cheated, and then he filed the complaint with cybercrime police. Police has registered FIR against the unknown accused person having that particular WhatsApp number and investigating the case. The message is never trust any unknown person or unknown app or any investment platform which promises higher return than normal market rates. Be aware, be safe.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.